Hey guys, we're at Best Bet. We're at the Silverton. We got a $1,000 major jackpot that's sitting there waiting for us to get it. I'm gonna do some live play for y'all. I got $100 of free play plus $100. Well, I guess it just gives you the credits. Cool. So, we shall begin.
Yeah, how did that happen?
Put $100 in, got 200 in there. Hey, how about that? Anyways, let's get some rapid fire in here. Ooh, that was actually a pretty good hit.
Going through a kit too.
Yep, that's what I'm doing. Dang it. Oh, where are you? Alright, let's go ahead and move our, well, I'm gonna keep doing the 50 cent for a little bit longer. See if I can at least pull a bonus. We'll change it up if it gets down to 190. Oh, we're back up. Alright, so we're at 190, so we'll bump it up to $1. Are you serious? Ooh. Alright, I'll go down to 170. If it doesn't hit, then we'll take it up to the next notch.
Come on.
Alright, here. I'm just going to go ahead and do the 10 cent. Oh, come on, buddy. Be my friend. There we go. There we go. Yay, got $100 already right there. Yes. There we go. Oh, a $30 hit on that one. Come on, come on. Don't be shy. Trophy me. Come on down. Trophy me. Thank you. Come on, trophies. Come on, trophies.
Come on, save it.
There we go. That's a good one. Yes.
Now, major.
Yeah, yeah, now a major. Sweep up that grand, shall we? Ooh. Yeah. Now that's a pickup. That is a freaking pickup. All right, let's continue, shall we? Yeah, let's do it again. I like that bonus. I'm ready to get Jack Rich. Oh yes, there we go. Let's do this. Come on, re-trigger. Oh, yes. That should be a good hit right there, right? Ah, that's pretty good. Dang, if that was... How you drink, Debbie? Oh, yes. Feed me the green, please. Feed me the green. Let's go, let's go. Fill it up, baby, fill it up. Come on, don't be shy. Come on, come on. Don't be shy. Come on, save me. Ah, still a badass. Way to go. But we are still in the bonus. That's a pickup. Come on, re-trigger. Come on. Ow. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes. All right, we got a $100 mini right there already. Let's get that major. Oh, don't be shy. Come on out. Oh, you can give me that minor.
Save it.
Come on, come on, come on.
Save it. Yes.
All right. Come on, baby.
Here we go.
Come on. Don't be shy. Just come on out. Trophy me, baby.
Save it.
Save me.
Save it,
Thank you. $25 freaking trophy. I love those trophies. Come on. Trophy. Trophy
Save
me.
it here. Save it.
Boom,
Save
boom, boom.
it.
Yes. And guess what, guys? Still in the bonus. Oh, re-trigger, re-trigger. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, dang.
Nice.
That was $325 bonus. I think we shall continue.
I think we should.
Absolutely. All right. Let's see if she'll keep us going. Come on, come on, come on. Hey now, don't get quiet with me. Keep it going, baby. Let's do a couple of these $5. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it good right here. Thanks for watching. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, sir. Alright, we want that big green. Come on. Yes. Come on, land. There we go. Land.
Please make sure card and place the best token in the entertaining process. Attention, Winstar and safety of our patrons and staff. All guests are
Get it.
reminded
Oh,
their nose and mouth at all times.
get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Last hurrah, come on. Not too shabby. I'll take it. Come on, don't be a dud. What the hell, man? Come on, man. Thank you. I was like, what the hey, man? Meaner. It is. Please land. Thank you. Please land. Sweet. Bonus time. All right. There we go. Come on, land.
Guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below to let us know you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to ring that bell to not miss any upcoming videos from us. Have an awesome day. Be safe and be healthy. Bye guys.